All right, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of the day it is when you log in. This is T. Williams' class, and I am making a special recording because for some reason Schoology did not record my lesson for today, and I want to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to see what's going on in class. So let's start this off. First things first. When you are in your class page, this is your class page, make sure you're in materials. I want to show you how to make sure you know how to log on to everything. And parents, this is for you as well. I have noticed that a lot of the students, if you're not doing anything at all, what you are doing is you are taking your quizzes and your tests and you're not studying, you're not looking at notes, you're not following along and getting your lesson first before you take it, and that's why you're having to do it so many times. So I want to show you right here on your class page. If you look per week, I have posted the notes and I have posted pictures and videos for you for every lesson that we have. We have translating words in math. This is writing equations, adding and subtracting equations, multiplying and dividing equations. If it has the two little talk windows here, the buttons are bubbles. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a worksheet, and that's just for practice, and a video. Now, that's not my video, but it's a video that I have found on YouTube. You can also write comments and questions in this section. That is what is on for every time that you see bubbles. I mean, what do you call them? The bubbles? That's what you see. Here, you'll have a lesson. These are your notes. And if you need to make it bigger or smaller, you can click your three dots right here, and you can zoom in or zoom out. For my students who have a hard time seeing it, if the writing is too small, but you can scroll down here and you have notes. I know we're not writing notes, but I made sure to take pictures of notes so that you have notes for every lesson. So please know that your notes are out here on your class page. You just have to make sure you go to the week that you need to see it. So you have week 2 notes, and then this is the stuff from week 3. Real world equation, multi-step equation. There are notes and videos in each set of bubbles for you to look at. Also, even though for some reason Schoology is not doing that well, if you go to conferences, I'm clicking on conferences, and then go to completed, you will see where it says play the recording of me going over the lesson. Now, this is me reviewing the test. I did have recordings out here from before, but they're only available for 7 days. So if you do not catch it, then you miss it. But you can play these and you can see me going over the lesson. So that's another video where you can watch and get the lesson before you take your quiz. Now, you have a little link over here on the left. That is your Clever portal. When you click on Clever portal, it will take you to Clever. Once you get into Clever, then you have, I'm in T. Williams Classroom app. So let me go back to the regular Clever. And I'm going to show you why I had to go there. Your Clever is different from mine, but you should have Edgenuity and Schoology at the top. If yours is not at the top, you will have to scroll down so that you can get it from down below. Now, if you wanted to go to the top, you just click on that heart, and when you click on that heart, you make it your favorite, and it'll come up to the top under your favorites, so you don't have to scroll down and look for it. But you got Edgenuity and you got Schoology right there. Hope McDougall Online is your textbook. Now let's talk about Quizziz. Quizziz is a favorite for me, but you guys will have to go to T. Williams Classroom apps, and that's the one that has my avatar on it. And when you click on T. Williams Classroom apps, you will find Quizziz right here, okay? And that's how you will get to your Quizziz, okay? Now, once you click on Edgenuity, because I'm going to go back, clicking on Edgenuity will take you to where all of your quizzes and instructions and assignments are. So we're going to go to Edgenuity, and this is what some of you will see. First 9 weeks teacher directed, do not do anything in there. That was from first 9 weeks. If you did not get a good grade for first 9 weeks, you are automatically put in grade recovery. And this is where you can make up your work that you missed from first 9 weeks and get your grades recovered for your next report card. So when you get your next report card, if you make up all of your work from first 9 weeks, then it will be changed on your next report card. Okay? You have to make sure you get your grade recovery work done. And the best time to do that is during Cougar time. Now, we are currently in second 9 weeks. So that's where we will go for our lesson. Do not, I repeat, do not click next activity. Click second 9 weeks. And when you do, you will see all of the lessons. The names of your lessons are on the right, and then the information is on the left. You are only required to do the quiz, but there's instructions and assignments out here for you to see if you missed live class. So this is a third way for you to get more information to learn your lesson. If you do the instruction and assignment, that is only for your knowledge. It is not for a grade. You have to take the quiz to get your grade done. Do you have to do these to get to the quiz? No, you do not. If you watched me teach the live lesson, or you got the lesson that I posted in Schoology, then you can just click on the quiz and go right there. Just please do not take any quiz or any test without first watching and getting your lesson. Now, this is for writing equations. If I want to go to my next quiz, I just click on the name of the lesson over here on the right-hand side, and then I can go to that quiz. And then you got multiplication and division, and then there's that quiz right there. What we had for the progress report today is these 3 quizzes: writing equations, adding and subtracting equations, and multiplying and dividing equations. So those are the 3 quizzes that are supposed to be on your progress report, and they were supposed to have been done by Friday and Monday. So if you do not have those done, then it's going to be a 0 for now, but you have every opportunity to make up and to retake. And as soon as you get that done, send me a message and I will update your grade. Okay? So let your parents know, let your parents watch this video so that they know, even if your progress report has a low grade, you do have the opportunity to make it up. You just have to do the work. So all of your quizzes, your instruction, your assignments are out here in Edgenuity, and you get to Edgenuity through Clever. Also, a reminder, all of the assignments, I do a video in Schoology going over how to get the answers to the assignment. So not only do you have the practice for yourself, but you can also get the answers from me out of Schoology. Okay? Now let's go back to Schoology, and that'll be the end of our video. When you get to Schoology, there is a test. Then that you'll have one test on your progress report. And see right here, you have your calendar to tell you your progress reports are due today. So if you have a previously due assignment and you don't see it over here under upcoming, you can click on the calendar so that you can see previous assignments. Here's the test that was due yesterday. So you can click right here and it'll take you to the test. Now let me show you something. When I click on view item, there's my link to the test. So I'm going to click on this link to the test and then look. Oh no, it says invalid game code. If yours says invalid game code, but you have taken it and you want to retake it, invalid means it's expired. As long as you have taken a test at least one time, you can take it even after it expires. How do you do that? You're going to click OK. And then, now you see how there's nothing here because I have not logged in. For some reason, Quizziz doesn't automatically log you in, but all you have to do is click log in, and then you're going to click log in with Google, pick your name, and then there will be the previous assignments that you did. This is the test, even though it doesn't say test. I had to take one so that you guys can see what it looks like. Once you have taken it, you can click here, and then you see where it says reattempt. You can click on reattempt, and even if it's expired, you can reattempt to take that test. So I just wanted to show you how you can get your grades pulled up. I hope that I have answered any questions for you. If not, please be sure to send me a message and I will help you as soon as I can. If you guys want one-on-one, I'm available for one-on-one tutoring as well, as long as it is after 1:05. If you have any questions or anything, please send me a message, and I hope you all have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.